Hello guys, welcome to a short ass video where I show something completely random. Yeah, Happy New Year's. And all the other holidays like Hanukkah, Christmas, and I don't know any other holidays. I'm sorry. Well, sorry. Well, you're also done. Yep. Okay, so I have to do this fast because I have bots on. I have to have bots on, or the game will instantly end, and the bot is capturing the base. Yeah, the only reason I'm doing this video is he. Because... no. I didn't finish. Because Discord isn't letting me stream or screen share. Because dumbass. Also for everyone who has this game and has this tank, if you didn't know. Yeah. It floats. And you can do cool tricks with it. You can flip upside down like I just did that by accident again. You can act like you're on rodeo, or if you somehow manage to stabilize, which is easier said than done, then you can normally drive it around. Well, should I say drive because you're in water, like, I don't know what should I say. Oh. Well, I have a problem. I don't know how to turn in this thing when I'm in the water. Okay. You son of a... I'm just gonna fucking drown myself now. Whee! Fuck. Yeah, you can, but it may be blank, same as mine. Yep. And also, if you get flipped upside down, you're fucked. And I'm ending this video right now, before this guy starts singing. Bye.